Welcome to this video. If you have ever searched online about how to rank your website on Google, you have probably heard the term SEO. But did you know there are actually different types of SEO? In this video, we will explore the main types of SEO, what they mean, and how they work together to improve your website's visibility. Before we break it down, let's quickly recap what SEO is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, the process of improving your website's visibility in search engine results, so you get more organic traffic. There are several branches of SEO, but the four major types you must know are on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, local SEO. Let's explore each of them in detail. On-page SEO refers to the elements you can control on your website, like content, meta tags, URLs, images, and internal links. It helps search engine understand what your content is about and why it is valuable. Off-page SEO involves actions that are taken outside your website to improve its credibility and authority, mainly through backlinks. The more trustworthy sites that links to yours, the more Google sees your site as valuable. Technical SEO ensures that search engine can crawl and index your website efficiently. It's all about performance, speed, and structure, not content itself. Local SEO helps businesses show up in the location-based searches, like best cafe near me. It's critical for physical stores, restaurants, and service providers targeting nearby customers. Besides the core types, there are specialized forms of SEO like mobile SEO, e-commerce SEO, and YouTube SEO. Each of these focuses on specific platforms or audiences. Each type of SEO has a unique role, but they work best when used together. On-page makes your content readable, off-page builds trust, technical helps indexing, and local SEO brings foot traffic. A complete SEO strategy includes all of them. To recap, SEO is not just one thing. It's a combination of strategies working in synchronization. Mastering these four main types, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, and local SEO, gives your website the best chances to rank and succeed online. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and explore our more SEO tutorials. For complete SEO training, check our full course link below.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.